Welcome to ILB, which is Industrial Light Beam. We've created a beam that's lighter than the universal beam and much more laterally stiffer than the universal beam. In order to make the beam lighter, we've replaced the top and bottom flanges with an RHS. This is a beam that's much lighter than the universal beam, and it's laterally stiffer than the universal beam because of the webbing in the centre, whereas in here we've got a trapezoidal shaped web that goes right across the top and bottom flanges. So we end up with a beam that's an average of 50% lighter than the universal beam to do the same job.
The project we're currently working on is part of the North Connects project, which is linking the M1 and the M2 down in Sydney. In this particular project there's 4 acoustic buildings, and in total there's just over 450 tonnes of steel and around about 20,000 lineal metres of purlin. The primary reason that these sorts of projects suit ILB is our very effective strength to weight ratio of the beams. Each one of these buildings supports a 100-tonne gantry crane in the top of it, and our flexural stiffness and lightweight means that on the confined sites we can get that erection done with smaller cranes than conventional, and it also means it's more cost effective. I think the primary advantage that we have in that is the strength of our people. The Central West has a very good passion for their own people, and we find that all of our employees are very supportive of the company and they want to see us do well. After the completion of this project and the previous one at North West Rail, the experience that we gain in that has put us in a very good position, and we're currently submitting tenders on infrastructure works that are currently being undertaken in both Sydney, Melbourne and even as far away as Perth.